Let's learn how you can install the KSign for iOS to install the iPA files on iOS devices without jailbreak or PC. Firstly, you're gonna launch the Safari and you're gonna reach to this website coinbn.io.bn. This website will load up ads, so if you have an ad blocker, it will be very easy. So the first step is to download the DNS profile. Tap on download DNS profile. It will load the ads, close the ad, come back to the website, once again DNS profile, once again close, and DNS profile once again. Allow to install the profile and close it. Now you're gonna go to settings. Inside the settings, you'll see profile downloaded, tap here and install the DNS profile. Once the DNS profile is installed, go back to home screen, launch Safari. Now currently it's selected as eSign. We're gonna switch it to KSign. It'll load up ads, close the ad, come back, once again switch here. Now you're gonna try to install any KSign file. Let's choose one here. Let's pick this one. Close the ad, come back, once again install. Now you're gonna see if it works here. It has installed successfully. If in case it doesn't install, we're gonna go back to the website and try any other versions of KSign from here. Now if you try to launch KSign, it doesn't open. We're gonna have to trust the enterprise developer in the settings. Go to settings. Inside the VPN, DNS and device management, you'll find the enterprise app section here at the bottom. Find the one which is not trusted, this one here. It's of KSign. We're gonna trust here, trust. Once it's trusted, go back to home screen and try to launch the KSign. It opens here. Now to install the IPA files, tap on plus import files. Let's import any IPA file. For example, this one, open. Tap the file, import to library. Now go to library tab and tap on the app, sign in, install. Start signing. It will prompt you to install. Tap on install. Go back to home screen to check. Yes, it's installing. You can launch it now. So that's how you can install the IPA files with KSign. To keep the KSign working and in good condition, you're gonna have to activate the airplane mode before you turn off your phone every time. Now once you turn on the iPhone, you can deactivate the airplane mode. This trick will help the KSign to be in working and in good condition. So like this video and subscribe to this channel.